Hi everyone. So I published a new resource on how to create this liquid glass looking UI inside of Figma, and I'm sharing it as a free resource on Figma Community. And this video is supposed to be a guide on how to change these mockups. So if you want the Figma Community file, I'm going to leave it in the link of the description. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. But in the meantime, I hope you have fun exploring this file. Here's how to change this mockup using the Mockup plugin. What you're going to do first is to go to Figma Community and search for Mockup. I already have it here. Just search for Mockup and you find this particular one. So once you click on it, it's going to open up. I mean, the mockups are already there, but what you want to do is to use the existing mockups, one of these existing mockups, because they are custom made. So I want to change the image side of them to match its current orientation. What I can just do is just click on this option here called WAP. I think it's called WAP something, or distort rather. So once you click on it, you're going to, first of all, it's going to prompt you to select the target and also the layer that you want to apply to the target layer. So what you're going to do in your design is going to hold on, personally I prefer to hold on Command and then select into the design. So this particular screen is what you select it. You can see on the layers panel, it's selected. What it did was select this particular layer, change this layer. So you can then click on the mobile. So you can see here it has selected the change this layer as the target layer. Then you're going to select the layer you want to apply, which is this mobile. Click on it and then you can then press apply. But personally I prefer to change it from 1x to 3x so that the quality is crisp. So click on 3x and then press apply. So just give it 1 second. So yeah, you have it like this. In some cases you may see that the mockup, the orientation may be messed up. So what you can do is to click on this. Maybe you can click on this I've forgotten what the word is called, but yeah, it just flips it basically. Yeah, the flip option, you can flip the mockup. You can also rotate as well. So that's in cases where you have maybe like this particular kind of mockup. That's where you can use these options. So yeah, that's basically how you can use this tool.